Dear friends, welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLabs Engineering Services Private Limited. Myself, I am Arya Shaji, working as a technical engineer at BIMLabs Engineering Services Private Limited. Today's topic is AutoCAD Introduction and Graphical User Interface. About AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a CAD software, that is computer-aided design software, and it's a product of Autodesk. Its first version is released in 1982 and its latest version is 2021. AutoCAD is used in industry by architects, project managers, engineers, graphic designers, city planners, and other professionals. Its file format is .dwg. Advantages over sheet drawings. Faster drawing time. Compared to sheet drawings, you will be requiring very less time for drawing on an AutoCAD workspace. Larger workspace. If you are using a sheet for drawing, the workspace will be very limited. And if you are going for an AutoCAD workspace, you will be having a larger workspace. Greater accuracy. If you want to draw your drawing on a smaller scale, you can draw it very accurately on an AutoCAD platform. Save drafting time. If you are drawing on a sheet, you will not be having options such as copy, paste, etc. If you are using AutoCAD for drawing, you will be having all those options and you can save your drafting time. Easy to scale. If you want to scale your drawing to a smaller scale and also to a larger scale, you can do it easily. Easier to reproduce and share. Since you will be having a hard copy and also the soft copy of your drawing, it will be very easier to reproduce and share it. Easier to collaborate. If you want to share your drawings, you can share it on a cloud platform. And also no original drawing to lose as you have a backup. This is the first interface as you open your software. It is also called recent interface. On the left, you can choose your template. If I drop down here, you will be having a list of templates here. The normally used templates are ACAD ISO DWT and also ACAD.DWT. ACAD.DWT is used for imperial units such as feet and inches. For metric units such as centimeters, meters, kilometers, etc., you will be using ACAD ISO.DWT. It is a normal international drawing template. Below that, you'll be having options for opening your file and onto the center, you can see your recent documents. This is a graphic user interface of AutoCAD, that is GUI. For AutoCAD, you will be having two workspaces, that is the 2D model workspace and the layout or paper space. This is the 2D model workspace of AutoCAD. Here you can see the application menu. On this application menu, you will be having options for open, new, save, export, etc. Here is a QAT, that is Quick Access Toolbar. Here you will be having tools such as new, open, save, undo, redo, etc. You can customize this Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can see the workspace option. If you are drawing a 2D drawing, you can set the workspace to drafting and annotation. If you are going to draw a 3D drawing, you have to change this workspace. Here is a title bar where you can see the version of your software and also the file name of your software, of your file. Here is the menu bar. On this menu bar, you will be having a set of tools listed under each menu bar. That is, you will be having file, edit, view, insert, etc. On each of the menu bar, you will be having a set of tools. Here is the ribbon. Inside each ribbon, you will be having a set of tools and also a set of tools will be arranged on certain panels. If you look onto this home ribbon, home tab, On each tab, you will be having a set of tools, and also certain tools are arranged on certain panels. Here is the information center where you can sign on to your Autodesk account, and also if you want any online help, you can go here. Then here is this view cube where you can set your views. For a 2D drafting, it's always top view. If you are doing a 3D drawing, you can change your views here. Then here is a navigation panel where you will be having options such as pan, orbit, zoom, and all. Here is a status bar where you can see the options like grid, snap, ortho, etc. You can customize this status bar also. Then here is a command panel. If you are choosing a tool, you will be getting the instructions regarding that tool on this command panel. Then here is the layout or paper space where you will be finalizing your drawing. And here is a WCS, that is a World Coordinate System. Mainly the AutoCAD has two types of systems, that is WCS, World Coordinate System, and UCS, that is User Coordinate System. On here it is WCS, where the horizontal line denotes the x-axis and the vertical line denotes the y-axis. The next video will be regarding the coordinate system. Thank you all. Keep watching.